How to get verified on TikTok in 2022. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get verified or get blue badge on TikTok in 2022. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, we're going to open that TikTok application. After doing so, we'll go into the profile option, where in the right hand upper corner there is a three bar line option in which we'll tap on it, and afterwards we have two more options to go: creator tools and settings and privacy. We're going to tap into settings and privacy. A new bar of options has opened up in which we're going to go for the manage account. After going so, we'll switch our profile to business because private accounts don't get verified on TikTok or anywhere else. So these are the three or four options that tell what business profile really is. Learn about your customers, access to exclusive sounds, get inspired, find out what's new. So we're going to click next on it. Now they are giving us an option of choose a category. This is because one can identify his or her business profile. For example, if that business profile is related to arts and crafts, automotive and transportation, baby, beauty, clothing and accessories, education and training, electronics, and much more. So we're gonna go and find an option explaining personal blog. So we are going to tap on it. After doing so, where it has mentioned that welcome to your business account, and there's my name written, so we would just skip it. Now our business profile has been set up. Now we're going to verify it, but before doing so we're going to take a screenshot of our profile because later we are going to need that. So we're going to go in the settings and privacy mode once again. After going so, we're going to go and look for a report problem. After doing that, we're going to tap on it. A new page has appeared in which there are many options including account recovery, security alerts, I want to grow my account, I can't start a live, and much more. But we won't be needing that. On the right hand upper corner of the screen there is this writing icon there. We'll click on it. We're going to give them our feedback, and that would be, dear TikTok team, or any sort of thing like that. I have a very good face value and a social, and sorry for it, so face value, and I'm a social content creator. It would be very nice if I can get a blue badge. It would be very nice if I can get a blue badge on TikTok, and that would emphasize much on my audience. Thanks. Now you're going to report it. So within 24 hours, you're going to get a notification or a follow-up email from a TikTok team. So within 24 hours, you're going to get a reply or follow-up email from the TikTok team, and they're going to ask you details about how and what, so you can tell them or fill them about the details and get your social or blue badge verified ID on TikTok. Okay, everybody. So this was it for the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Take care.